Hello, Robert Grain, Parkland Carpet One again, showcasing carpet this time and discussing some of the key benefits and advantages of why one would go to when they come into a carpet store and see thousands of choices. How do you separate and figure out what it is you actually want? So just a quick story about a few of the different styles I have. As you see, a few of the different boards laid out, and each of them do just a little bit different thing. We'll start with this product here. What I feature about it is Canadian made, so for supporting local right now, it's a great story. We have very few Canadian mills left in Canada. This is actually manufactured by Bolio Canada, and is a great product that we make locally. So the reason we start with this one is this product comes in what's called a polyester fiber. So polyester has gone through many generation changes. It's now one of our mostly used fiber systems, and it has great color attributes. It takes a stain really well, so you end up with really great partial toning and shading of tones that you won't necessarily get in some of the other fiber systems. So it is a great use for that. It also is naturally very soft, naturally also very extremely stain resistant to food, beverages, and other household spills. So that's sort of a great starting point for fiber today and carpet, and is where we work with a lot of our clients, is with something that would be a polyester style. We then move into what would be more of a tried and true product over the generations, which is a nylon carpet. So nylon, in our case, Tigressa is a product made for Carpet One, and it is 100% nylon, and it gives us material that is just inherently by nature very strong, very resistant to change and changing shape, very elastic, and so it wants to retain its original appearance longer than most carpets. And so it comes as they continue to improve shade and texture and color. We're now getting, you see this one has a nice little sheen to it, a very reflective fiber by nature, so they're playing off of that. Here they also make it delustered as well, so you can choose your picks with that. But this one is really a good quality choice, and something for high traffic areas, high families. Generally going to be a little bit more money than some of the different polyester versions, but a good investment into your home. The reason I start with this one that I pulled out is it comes in a couple different backing systems. One that would be, you can't necessarily see this backing, but it's a soft back. It's got a little softer on the walls and the interior of the home as we're installing it. Gives you great dimensional stability to help resist the wrinkling of a carpet as well. It also comes with an extra additive on top of it, which makes the carpet itself waterproof. So this is the start of the waterproof series of carpeting that we carry at Carpet One. And so that gives you a nylon option in carpet. We also then go into a line that is called Oath by Resista, which is 100% all made with the waterproof backing. And so the advantage of that is you get spills and stains will not go through the backing of the carpet into the cushion, so then when it's professionally steam cleaned, the steam cleaner has the ability to remove all of the stain out of the carpet, and it will not continue to wick out of the backing or the undercushion of the carpet, causing the stain to reappear, and then clean it again, reappear. So this is a really unique advantage, especially for people that have pets. Very pet friendly, and great for kids that are spilling things, and sometimes even adults. So that's a waterproof Oath carpet. We then go into the newest of the generations of fiber, and that is we call that Triexta here, and it is a brand new fiber category, different than polyester and nylon, and it is now by far the softest fiber systems that are on the marketplace, giving us really a very plush surface to walk on, but extremely resilient still to wanting to crush and pack. So giving you the best of both worlds, and also obviously comes with all the warranties on it that you would get, but soft and comfortable in all the colors that you would want to be able to design your home with. Then from there, we go into the Carpet One's premier brand of carpet, which is called the Lee's Collection. This is a mill that's been in production since 1846, and they use the Triexta fiber that's in that carpet there as well. And it's all made to a very fine quality of production, color, and style. So anyways, that's going to get you the best selection of quality carpet is the Lee's brand. We then move to a couple of other ones that are unique in the industry. So New to the world of carpeting is, or newer, is Aero. And Aero has its own cushion attached. So the carpet and the cushion is all bound together as one, fused together. This carpet can be, in the rural areas, can be installed by yourself, but we generally put most of it in our supplied and installed showroom that we offer here. But it comes in many styles and gives you the advantage of both together. Is really taking a lot of the market share now, as people are starting to move more and more to this Mohawk Aero carpet. Then we have what has been around for centuries, and that is the Nature's Walk series of carpet, which is going to give us a wool material. Wool has been used generations after generations, just continues to always look really fresh and new. And unlike a synthetic material, which is everything we've showcased here now, the wool really retains its beauty for years and years and years. So lots of attributes to wool. We're seeing a resurgence to green and very strong natural nature eco messaging. The wool carpet does that the best. Obviously, you shear the sheep, the wool grows back, and you shear it again, and you have continued resources. They also make a completely wool undercushion, so we have wool cushion, wool carpet, give you a complete eco-friendly installation. So I hope that gives you a few short tips on carpet. We find us here at Parkland Carpet One, 1600 8th Avenue, or Parkland Carpet One, Regina.ca, and look forward to seeing you on the YouTube channel. If you like it, please push subscribe, and we'll see you again. Thank you very much.